My family and I are camping fanatics, and CAMPLUX sent me this propane tabletop grill, and we're going to go ahead and set it up. And honestly, the setup was way easier than I expected. My dad actually put this together in just a few minutes. The instructions were pretty clear, which was very nice, and all he really had to do was screw in the 4 legs to the bottom of the grill. That was really easy and really simple. The actual grill itself is already pretty much put together, which makes it really nice. So the first time you use it, if you're already out camping somewhere or in an outdoor event, you don't have to worry about your grill taking forever to put together. The heat shield was also super easy, pops right into place, and this is what sits between the burner and the cooking surface to distribute the heat evenly and also to protect the burner. And here is our grill grate, and this is what you're going to use if you want those classic grill marks on things like burgers, kebabs, steaks, and hot dogs. And again, it just sat right on top. This flat top griddle is actually probably going to be the piece that I use the most. And again, it just slid right into place like everything else. You can make hibachi on this flat top grill. Also, bacon, eggs, pancakes makes the perfect breakfast. Now, this heat resistance tray that goes underneath the grill, I want to point out something that's really important. The bottom tray has to go into the slot correctly. The first time we set it up, we did not slide it in the grooves all the way, and because of that, the heat was not being blocked properly, and the table underneath actually started to melt a little bit. But once it's installed correctly, that won't happen.
All right, this has a regulator on it for connecting to the 20-pound tank, so you can cook even longer.
I originally thought that you could only use the small 1-pound propane tanks, but it actually comes with a hose, so you can connect it to a standard 20-pound propane tank, which is really convenient if you're cooking at a campsite or an RV and you're cooking a lot of food. That way your propane will last a lot longer. After that, all we had to do was turn it on. It has a temperature that goes from low to high, so you can really have control of the setting. Overall, this setup was super simple. We did it in less than 3 minutes, and once it's together, you're ready to cook, baby.